As an underwater photographer, I'm sure you've encountered backscatter. It's basically the light from the video or from the flash unit on your camera bouncing off of particles in the water. So we're going to go through a Photoshop exercise on how to eliminate the backscatter out of your underwater photos. First, as you can see, I've got the picture of a nice coral brought up in Photoshop. We're going to go down here and click to unlock the layer. We're going to make a duplicate of the original. Make sure we've got highlighted the copy. We're going to go into filter, go into noise and dust and scratches. We're going to move the radius arrow to the least value. We're going to do the same with the threshold value. Then we're going to go and we're going to pick a piece of that backscatter. This one looks bright. I'm going to click on that and it's highlighted in the box here. And we're going to slowly move this radius dial to the right until the backscatter disappears. And then maybe just a little bit more. And then we're going to move the threshold arrow also to the right just until we see the outline of the backscatter appearing, and that's where we'll stop. Then we'll click OK. Then we'll go down here and we're going to make a mask. We're going to add a layer mask. We're going to make sure we're on that layer. Then we're going to pick a paintbrush tool with the appropriate size. We're going to make sure that the mode is in normal and the opacity is 100%. Then we will be painting, doing our brush strokes, and voila! The coral comes back into focus. We want to make sure that we paint over all of this bright, beautiful coral. And there we go. Now we've got the sharpness of the coral and no backscatter. Now we can take a look at the before, and here's the after. And that was one easy lesson on how to get rid of backscatter in your underwater photographs.